This is a video for a 2007 Acura TL Type S that is up for sale. We have babied this car. We are the only owner of the car. And we've garaged it, use it for short distances getting to work, usually at just a few miles, which is why it has less than 100,000 miles on it. It has the alloy wheels, of course, because it's a Type S. Car is very quick. It works very well mechanically. Everything has been taken care of. There are no oil leaks, no issues whatsoever with the car. Tires probably still have another 20 or 30,000 miles left on them. And I will show you a couple of things. Let's actually take a look at the engine real quick. Alright, here we go. Open up the trunk. Let's go take a look at it, shall we? So the car has been always taken in for its regular maintenance. We had a couple of oil leaks some years back, and we took care of all of that, essentially taking the whole engine down and replacing all the seals. The timing belt has been replaced on time, regular oil changes. I don't know if this will be visible, but I'll show you the under part. There's no oil leak. It's dry as a bone. Everything looks great. And I'm gonna close the lid, and let's actually turn on the car as well. Okay, here we go. We're gonna turn it on. Sounds smooth. Let's take a look at the miles. You can see the miles right here. 96,205. Everything works well in the car. Here's the navigation. Come on. There we go. Set up later. Okay. The navigation. Cup holders. Floors are super clean. The interior very clean. There are actually two minor issues on the interior. The dash had a crack that has been repaired, so it shouldn't crack anymore. And then the cup holder, this part has broken off. We just keep it open all the time. I'm not sure if you even need it to have it closed, but that's pretty much it. Let's take a look at a couple more things. Let's take a look at the trunk, and we'll also take a look at the back seat. Okay, here's the back seat. Leather's in very good condition. Floors, once again, super clean. Everything across the board is very clean. Doors in great condition. Deck is in great condition. By the way, one heck of a sound system on this car. And then the trunk has a liner. You lift the liner, very clean underneath. And I have some extra floor mats that I'm including. That's why the floors on the inside are so clean as well, but I'm going to include those. I've done regular oil changes myself with synthetic oil, which I'm including here, as well as, of course, the extra oil filters that I have on hand. Couple other minor issues cosmetically. So there is a bumper scratch on the back, slight bumper scratch on the side that's been painted over, and let's see, front lower fender. I don't think that's even visible when you look at it because it's underneath for the most part, and same with the mirror. There's underneath a few scratches. Otherwise, mechanically, this car rocks. I wish I could hold on to it, but we have a larger family now and need a bigger car. I would hate to see it go, but you'll be a lucky owner of a wonderful car.